Go ahead.
Okay, my quote is the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Okay, what do the quotes mean in your own words? The quote means that in order to excel at something and do it excellently, you first have to feel passionate about it. If you do something just out of obligation, the result will be mediocre. But if you love what you do, you put more effort, creativity, and dedication into it. Why did you choose this quote? What if it make you think or feels? Okay, this quote makes me reflect on the importance of following your interest and not just doing what others expect of you. It inspires me to look for activities and goals that I'm truly passionate about because that is what leads to true success. Okay, who can you connect these quotes to your life? You can connect it by thinking about something you do that you truly enjoy, like a sport, hobbies, or a subject at school. When you do it with pleasure, don't you dedicate more time of effort to it. That is exactly what Jobs describes. Um, whose quote it is shares some facts about that person. Steve Jobs was the co-founder of Apple, created revolutionary products like iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, and other products. He was adopted as a baby, dropped out of college, but never stopped learning. And he is considered one of the most creative, innovative entrepreneurs in history. Thank you, teacher.